What's popping, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to go over an ICO that brings football to the crypto world. If you don't know, guys, you can go check out the token market. That's a good place to find new ICOs that are coming out soon. And I just happened to come across this one, checked it out. It's pretty cool. It's called Fan Controlled Football League, or FCFL. It is coming on in about 8 hours, I think, in 10 hours. The token sale opening date is in 10 hours. That's why I'm putting this video out now, to let you know about it, because if you decide that you want to invest in it, it is just now about to drop. So what it is a college, I think it's college league football, and an indoor stadium, and you're able to make the plays. You're able to choose the plays. All the fans in real time are able to pick the plays for the team as they're playing. Pretty cool idea. I never would have thought of that for sure. Let's check out their website real quick. This is where you can get the ICO right here, register for token sale. They were on New York Times. Let's go check out that article right now. An indoor football team has its fan call the plays. So they've already tested this, and it works. So on your phone, you're able to get on the app and, pick a play. And I guess it's going to be a voting system. So whichever play has the most votes is going to be played out by that team or that side. So what they say, as a step-by-step routine, there appeared to be nothing out of the ordinary in the way of quarterback Verlon Reed went about his play calls on Thursday night for the Salt Lakes Screaming Eagles in indoor football league. Sorry, guys, I'm a little off. With the play clock ticking down, Reed would turn to his coach, William McCarthy, who would then relay a call. After returning to the huddle, Reed would explain to his team which Screaming Eagles 40-plus plays they were going to run. Then it was a go. While the routine was commonplace, the way in which the plays had been decided upon was anything but. The decisions were not coming from the McCarthy or the offensive coordinator, but rather from the fingertips of fans. Some in the crowd at Utah Maverick Center, some around the United States, and others as far-flung as Australia. So this is open up to anybody across the world, which is really cool. So you can be watching a game that's not even played in your country and be deciding what play they're going to do. The Screaming Eagles fans claim to be the first fan-run professional football team in the United States using a free mobile app. Anyone can vote on nearly all aspects of the new team identity and function, including calling, offensive, and special team plays. We're definitely warming to the idea, Reed said before the team franchise debuts again in Nebraska. Danger on Thursday. When we first go into it, there was just a lot of guys running around and trying to figure this thing out. I think this is a really cool idea. I think a lot of people will really I know there's a ton of football fans out there, guys. I know you guys love football. And I would assume that since the cryptocurrency world is mostly dominated by male, and I think my viewership just alone is like 95% male. And I know stuff like altcoin buzz is like 95 or plus percent male, just very few females. I know you guys probably are into football. So I think a lot of people, there's going to be a lot of hype behind this just because it is related to football. And I think people will like the idea of making their own plays. So I think there's going to be a lot of people jumping into this because of that reason. So there could be quite a bit of money to be made off of it. They've already decided, they've already tested it out. It works. And again, they're on the New York Times, which is huge, the Wall Street Journal. So these are some, Slate Forbes. These are some Sports Illustrated Sports. Yeah, they've got a lot of people that think that they're going to be legit. And trust me, the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal don't just put anything on there. They put on stuff that's actually interesting and people want to see and people want to succeed. So I think this could be potentially a really good ICO to invest in. But again, do your own research, guys. We're all adults. This is just my opinion. I am not professional or a financial advisor. I am just saying that this is something that's going to pop right now. It's like I said, it's opening up in 10 hours, so I just wanted to let you know now. If you think it's cool, you think it's somewhere that it could possibly skyrocket here in the next couple of months as it gets released to the public, do you think that it's going to pop up? If you do, then invest into it. If you don't, then don't. I mean, it's up to you, honestly. I haven't decided whether I'm actually going to invest into it yet or not, but it's up there. It's up there. I think it's something that could possibly be a good investment. But other than that, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, leave us a comment down below if you want us to do a coin review or an ICO. It's been a while since we've done an ICO, so that's why I got this one out there too. Just let us know in the comments, and we'll get to it. Other than that, guys, I'll see you later.